how to delete a TikTok or remove TikTok video. So if you want to delete or remove a TikTok video from your profile or whatever else, you can simply first of all launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. So where you have to simply come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and once you come to the profile icon from the bottom right, here you can see a couple of videos that you've added, right? So to be able to delete a certain TikTok video, you can go to that particular video right there. Then once you go to that particular video, what you can do is you can tap on the three dots option next to that video. Then you can scroll all the way until you look for this trash or the bin icon that says delete. So you can just tap on the delete button there, then tap on the delete button if you want to delete them. Now if you want to undo that delete, however, you can always tap on the three dots or the three lines, go to this and go to activity center and go to your recently deleted section, and you can also restore your recently deleted post as well. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.